Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. What does the word Sanatana Dharma mean? If you understand the complete meaning of the word Sanatana Dharma, then it will become crystal clear as to what it means to be a follower of Sanatana Dharma. The word Sanatana Dharma can be derived in a fourfold manner. In every unfolding, we will look at the word from a grammatical perspective and connect to its deeper meaning. First of all, the word Sanatana Dharma is a compound word. It is made by joining two individual words, namely Sanatana and Dharma. There are no direct equivalents to these two words in English. Hence, we will look at how these words are derived in Sanskrit so that you can understand the meaning in its completeness. The first meaning can be derived grammatically by using the Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Sanatanasya Dharmaha Sanatana Dharmaha, meaning Sanatana's Dharma is Sanatana Dharma. For instance, when we say Shankara's monastery is Shankara Matha, in the sense the monastery that is established by Shankara is called Shankara Matha. Similarly, Sanatana's Dharma is Sanatana Dharma, meaning the Dharma that is established by Sanatana is Sanatana's Dharma. So, who is this Sanatana? Sanatana is the eternal one, Brahman, Bhagavan, or God. In the compound word Sanatana Dharma, the word Dharma is derived from Dharanat Dharmaha, which means all that which upholds the entire universe and enables every natural law to function is Dharma in the broadest sense. So, it is God's Dharma in the sense of it being established by the Eternal One. It is in the Sthapya Sthapaka Bhava. If it is established by God, then it is universal and includes all departments of the universe, which is justified by Vakyas like Dharmaha Vishwasya Jagatah Pratishtha. Dharma is the foundation of the entire universe. Thus, in the first meaning, we see that Sanatana Dharma is the foundation laid by the Eternal One. It is the natural flow established by the Absolute. Now, moving on to the second meaning. The Eternal One is Anadi, beginningless, and Ananta, endless. So, the Dharma established by the Eternal One is itself eternal. This Dharma is bound to exist and will alone exist till the final extinction. And even then, it will not die, but only become latent for the simple reason that there will be no one left or nothing left to make use of it and benefit from it. As soon as the next kalpa is created, Sanatana Dharma will automatically reappear and resume its function. This second meaning is grammatically derived by the Karmadharaya Samasa. Sanatanascha dharmascha. What is eternal is also the dharma. There are no two things. Just like we say Unnata Vrikshaha, meaning a tall tree. What is tall here is the tree itself. Hence, the second meaning says Dharma is Sanatana. Dharma is itself eternal. Moving on to the third meaning, where we go deeper into the word Sanatana. Sada Bhavaha Sanatanaha, meaning that which is always there is Sanatana. This meaning of the word Sanatana is further extended. Sanatanam Karoti is called Sanatanayati. Sanatanayati iti Sanatanaha. According to this third grammatical interpretation, Sanatana Dharma is not just established by the Eternal One, it is not merely itself eternal, but it also makes those who adhere to it eternal. This deeper analysis answers the question, what is the use or value of Sanatana Dharma? Mankind's greatest aspirations have been eternal existence, divine wisdom, unbroken bliss, and absolute freedom from all bondages. This aspiration is to become the Eternal One itself, and Sanatana Dharma promises this eternity to its followers. Pranavo dhanuhu sharohyatma brahmatallakshyamuchyate apramattena vedhavyam sharavat tanmayo bhavet. These words from Mundakopanishad say that Omkara is the bow and the Jivatma is the arrow. Brahman is the target. We must very carefully strike the arrow such that the arrow hits the target and becomes one with it. Thus you see that Sanatana Dharma bestows the gift of total transformation to a Sanatani. A Sanatani is a follower of Sanatana Dharma. Thus we see in the third unfolding, Dharma is that which makes us eternal. It offers total transformation. Sanatana Dharma is not just established by the Eternal One. It is not merely itself eternal, but it also makes those who adhere to it eternal. Now, bringing the fourth and final meaning involves looking at the microcosmic and macrocosmic structure of Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana Dharma is a perennial stream that continuously flows in the macrocosmos, Samashti. Cycle after cycle, through the process of creation, sustenance, and destruction, this pravaha, this flow, is continuous. This eternal loop goes on, but this does not mean that the water drop that was present yesterday in the flow is still in the same state. Now, at the microcosmic level, that is Vyashti level, the individual drops, that is individual Sanatanis who form the microcosmic unit of this eternal stream become eternal by merging into the Eternal One. Here, in the derivation of the word Sanatana, the Eternal One Sanatana is looked upon as Paramatma. Paramatma Swarupam Prapayati. They attain the Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Satchidananda Swarupa. Sanatanayati iti Sanatanaha. Here, Sanatana would mean Sanatana Rupam, Paramatma Swarupam Prapayati. Everything created is moving in the stream as the stream itself. Just that when things are looked through the perspective of the individual drop in the stream, there is this beautiful story of the rock becoming dust and minerals, the sun and rain and the minerals entering the grass, and the grass becoming Anna, and Anna becoming energy, which keeps changing its form through various births and finally realizes the great current carrying it. It feels the oneness with the stream. This is the great comprehension of the fully expanded meaning of Sanatana Dharma. Hence, every time the word Sanatana Dharma comes to your mind, may the word open its fourfold meaning in thoughts, words, and actions. Sanatana Dharma is established by the Sanatana, the Eternal One. It is eternal too. It has the power to bestow eternity on those who follow it, those who swim with its currents. Sanatana Dharma is eternally existent as a stream in the macrocosmos, and each one of us treading the path of Dharma become one with the Sanatana Brahman. So what is the inference of this fourfold meaning? If two things are so related to each other that the existence of one has always carried with it the existence of the other, and the deterioration of the one has always been attended with the deterioration of the other, then the two things in question must necessarily be bound together by the relationship of cause and effect. Sanatana Dharma is universal. When Dharma is upheld, there is all around prosperity. And when Dharma falls, there is a decline. That is why Krishna says in Gita, Yaha Shastra Vidhim Utsrujya Vartate Kamakarataha Nasa Siddhim Avapnoti Na Sukham Na Parangatim. Those who ignore the percept of scriptures and operate through impulses, imbalance, and distortions, do not find happiness, perfection, and do not meet the goal of freedom. Here, the word scriptures means the source of knowledge. Thus, the inference of the fourfold meaning shows the innate connect between Sanatana Dharma and the purpose of life. This valuable wisdom has been shared with the world by Pujya Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtha of Puri Govardhan Matha in his book on Sanatana Dharma. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.